I love the combination of lemon and blueberries, and this recipe would give you a super soft cake. So let's get on with it.
We'll start off by adding our butter and sugar in a bowl, mixing it well with a spatula until it resembles a crumbly texture. Next, we'll be adding the eggs one at a time, combining it well after each addition. Now we'll be adding our curd, lemon juice and lemon zest into the mixture. In a separate bowl, we'll be combining our dry ingredients together, that is all-purpose flour, baking soda, baking powder and salt. Now it's time to add in our dry ingredients into our wet ingredients, and we'll do this in two parts in order to ensure a lump-free batter. We'll be mixing our fresh blueberries with 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour so that our berries don't sink to the bottom of the batter. Finally, we'll be adding our blueberries to the batter and combine well. Here I'm taking a Charlotte cake pan to make the cake look fancy, but you can use a 9 by 5 inch loaf pan as well. We'll bake the cake at 180 degrees Celsius for about 45 minutes or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. We'll flatten out the batter using a spatula. Our delicious lemon blueberry cake is ready, but I'll be adding a dollop of whipped cream on top for an extra factor.
I think you should definitely try this recipe out. You won't be disappointed. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you try this recipe out, do let me know in the comment section how you like it. Until next time.